माननीय एलओपी।
Sir, I have given notice under 267 Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Council of States. Sir, I hereby give notice under Rule 267 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Council of States of my intention to move the following motion for the suspension of business listed for 13 December 2022. Our national security and a territorial integrity is being impinged upon by brazen Chinese transgressions as the government remains a mute spectator. The valor of our armed forces in Galwan Valley, Ladakh is well known, but China has brazenly transgressed into our territory since April 2020. The illegal and unprovoked Chinese transgressions upon Y Junction in Dipiang Plains continues till date. Similar is the state of Chinese transgressions into Gogra and Hot Springs area in eastern Ladakh. Not only this, Chinese built up next to Pangon Lake area, including building of PLAs, divisional headquarters, army garrisons, weapon shelters for artillery, anti-aircraft guns and armored carriers is being continuously ignored by our government.
Thank you.
Government also remains obvious to the Chinese construction of a new Radom and two high Pangon Sow Bridge, also with decks on both sides, facilitating easy movement of Chinese troops, has also been brushed aside. Despite demand to ensure status quo ante as April 2020, China has refused to
धन्यवाद माननीय
No, 8 minutes actually.
आपकी
No,
नोटिस
sir, you know,
आपने पढ़ लिया
since back,
Finish in 1 minute.
to vacate our territory and has been deliberately taking shelter beyond the statement of our Prime Minister dated 20th June 2020, saying that no one has entered into our territory. Even the ongoing
the notice is with
talks with the Chinese.
The notice is with Honorable Chairman. He will
No,
decide.
this is the
Please.
notice.
You have
I
already
am reading the content of notice. I am reading the content of notice so that it should go in the slot and I want to reply according to that.
माननीय एलओपी आपने पूरी
Sir,
नोटिस पढ़ ली है.
No one has
Please.
entered into our
Please, the
territory.
notice is under
Even the
consideration of Honorable
ongoing
Chairman. He
talks.
will decide. Please, माननीय
Deputy Chairman, sir.
please.
My Deputy Chairman, sir.
Please,
The Honorable
please,
Defense
please.
Minister Shri Rajnath
माननीय
Singh
एलओपी,
ji is slated
you have
to make
already,
a
you
statement
have already explained.
regarding the
आपने
Yangtze
बता दिया
incident.
पूरा. It's under माननीय एलओपी, आपने अपने नोटिस का कंटेंट, आपने अपने नोटिस का कंटेंट बता लिया. प्लीज
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir.
माननीय एलओपी को
Honorable-
प्लीज माननीय प्लीज
The Honorable Defense Minister.
आपने अपनी पूरी नोटिस बता ली. आपने अपनी पूरी नोटिस बता ली. प्लीज माननीय एलओपी को भी, एलओपी को बोलने का पूरा मैंने मौका दिया. उन्होंने अपनी नोटिस बताई. प्लीज अपने सीट से
Honorable
Leader of
Deputy
the
Chairman,
House,
sir.
please.
The Honorable
आपकी बात
Defense
ही रिकॉर्ड
Minister
पे
Shri
जा रही है.
Rajnath
Please.
Singh ji
बोले.
is slated to make a statement regarding the Yangtze incident in Tawang sector in Arunachal Pradesh on 9 December at 2 p.m. today. Looking at the gravity of the situation and the request made by the opposition also, I would urge the chair to allow the Honorable Defense Minister to make the statement at 12:30 p.m. instead of 2 p.m. so that the issue can be placed before the House even in the middle of question hour. So kindly allow the defense minister to make the statement, and he will give all the information that is sought for by the officer.
एक मिनट नाजिर साहब आप बैठ जाए प्लीज बैठ जाए प्लीज एक मिनट माननीय प्रमोद जी, माननीय लीडर ऑफ द हाउस ने कहा कि 12:30 बजे माननीय रक्षा मंत्री जी बयान देंगे इस विषय पर। माननीय एलओपी साहब ने अपनी नोटिस पढ़ी, आप 12:30 बजे क्वेश्चन आवर के बीच में माननीय रक्षा मंत्री का बयान सुने। ये संवेदनशील मामला है, देश के हित से जुड़ा, आप सब लोग उसी की बात कर रहे हैं। माननीय रक्षा मंत्री जी को सुन ले आप, जो माननीय एलओपी साहब की चिंता है, माननीय एलओपी साहब की जो चिंता है, जो सवाल उठा उस पर ही माननीय रक्षा मंत्री जी बोलने के लिए आ रहे हैं। 12:30 बजे उनके बयान सुनने का धैर्य कम से कम रखिए प्लीज। 12:30 बजे माननीय रक्षा मंत्री जी इस विषय पर बयान देंगे। पेपर्स टू बी लेड ऑन द टेबल। राव इंद्रजीत सिंह
Deputy Chairman, sir,
12:30 बजे
I
बयान
rise to lay on the table of the
12:30 बजे बयान होगा।
papers mentioned against my name as serial number 1 in today's revised list of business.
12:30 बजे माननीय रक्षा मंत्री बयान देंगे प्लीज। राव इंद्रजीत सिंह, पेपर स्लेट। श्री किशन पाल
आपके नीति से आज की संसदीय दायर सूची में काम संख्या 2 पर सूचीबद्ध दस्तावेजों को सदन के प्रदर्शन करता हूं।
डॉक्टर भागवत कराड।
माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में मेरे सहयोगी श्री पंकज चौधरी जी के नाम के सामने और सीरियल नंबर 3 पर उल्लेखित कागजात आपकी अनुमति से सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्री भगवंत खुबा।
संशोधित कार्यसूची के क्रमांक संख्या 4 पर मेरे नाम से सूचीबद्ध दस्तावेज सदन के पटल पर रखने का आग्रह करता हूं।
डॉक्टर भागवत कराड।
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 5 in the revised list of business for today.
डॉक्टर भारती प्रवीण पवार।
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name at serial number 6 in today's revised list of business. Thank you.
श्री शांतनु ठाकुर।
Respected Chairman, sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper mentioned against my name, serial number 7 of today's revised list of business. Thank you, sir.
डॉक्टर मुंजप्पा महेंद्र भाई।
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I wish to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned serial number 8 against my name in today's revised list of business. Thank you, sir.
Reports of the department related parliamentary standing committee on commerce. डॉक्टर अभिषेक मनु सिंघवे। श्रीमती प्रियंका चतुर्वेदी, प्लीज। प्रियंका जी रिपोर्ट लें प्लीज। रिपोर्ट ले करें आप पढ़ें, आपकी बात ही रिकॉर्ड पे जा रही है।
I rise to present the 173rd, 174th and 175th reports in English and Hindi of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce mentioned against my name in the list of business.
Thank you. Reports of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs. माननीय श्री ब्रिजलाल।
Deputy Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to present the 240th and 241st report English and Hindi of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs as mentioned in today's list of business against my name. Thank you, sir.
Reports of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture. श्रीमती एस फोंगन कोन्याक।
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, with your permission, I present to you the
328th, 329th, 330th, 331st and 302nd reports in English and Hindi of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Tourism, Transport and Culture as listed against my name in today's list of business. Thank you, sir.
Reports of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance, Shri GVL Narasimha Rao.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table a copy in English and Hindi of the 52nd report of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance on the Competition Amendment Bill 2022 as mentioned in the list of business against my name. Thank you, sir.
And the point of order is, both my point of orders are on the same rule, which is 29.
Right.
Please check out 29, sir.
Yes.
About 7 minutes ago, that is at about 11:13, we received this.